Humans haven't been to the moon in nearly 50 years, and that's part of the reason why we still it. Historically, scientists have believed that the moon has a partially molten core, upon which its mantle sits. But now researchers say they believe the lunar insides are a whole lot like the lunar outsides. That is to say, solid. They looked at the moon with regards to our two current leading theories about its internal structures. They then compared those to our ever-increasing data set of measurements we have in relation to its shape and how it moves through space in relation to Earth. The typically, the researchers say, would depend a lot on, of course, the moon's overall density, but also its viscosity and rigidity. And they say the Earth also tugs back on the moon, deforming it at certain intervals. While this has led researchers to believe some aspect of the moon's interior is molten, they say that doesn't have to be true, adding in their new study, quote, according to the other theory, there is no such molten layer, and the measured deformation of the moon can be explained by the behavior of solid rocks at relatively low temperatures. They add that there's only one real way to know for sure. We'll have to go back and explore it in person.